Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can recover your Reddit account without email or your contact information. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to recover your Reddit account, you'll not be able to do it from the application. You'll need to do it from the web browser. So you need to open up any web browser that is convenient for you. As for this video, I'm going to go with the Google Chrome. And once you open up your web browser, on the search box, you'll need to type in www.reddithelp.com. Once you type in the link, you'll be directed to the support center, and in the top right corner there is an option as contact us. You need to click on it. Once again, you'll redirect to support center, and you can see right in between there is a statement, so make sure to go through it, and then you need to select what kind of help you need. So you need to click on the arrow icon, select I need help with my account. Once you've done that, the page expands, and on this interface you need to provide your email address through which they can contact you. So once you're done with the email address, moving on, you'll need to select the kind of account issue that you're facing. So click on the arrow icon and then click on others. And once you do that, you need to provide in your Reddit username. So type in your correct username associated with your Reddit account. So moving on, you need to select if you're able to log into your account or not. So click on the arrow icon and then click on no, I can't log in. And then you need to type in the subject of inquiry. So that would be, for that you need to type in account recovery, and you'll need to type in the description about your issue. You can briefly explain about your issue. So you can type in, hi Reddit support, I forgot my password and do not have any access of my contact info. And once you've done that, if you have any file or screenshot that shows the evidence that you're not able to recover your account, then you can drag and drop it right over here and then just click on submit. Once you've done that, as you can see that the request has been submitted. Now all you need to do is wait patiently until they look into your matter, and then you'll be able to recover your account. So that is how you can recover your Reddit account without your contact information. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.